Right, it's 29 degrees outside. I'm sweating. Let's bash this video out and get out in the sun. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel and to today's video. Firstly, it's been a little while since I've done one of these like recent / favorite pickup videos. Normally, as you guys know, I like to do this video on like a monthly basis, but because of like COVID-19 and lockdown and all that kind of stuff, I haven't really been picking up as many items as I normally would. That being said, guys, today is the comeback day because we've got 8 new items to go through and have a little chat about, ranging from sweatshirts, shirts, shorts, accessories, sneakers. We've got the lot. But before we get into that, you guys know what to do. Pause this video right now, go down below and absolutely smash that thumbs up button. And if you are new to the channel from this video, be sure to hit subscribe as well for more men's fashion content every single Thursday. All right, guys, so that's all the boring intro stuff done. Now it's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy the pickups. All right, so favorite / pickup number 1 is this washed black sweatshirt from Summit UK. Now, if you guys have been watching quite a lot of my videos, especially recently, you will know that I'm a big fan of this brand. When I'm on the hunt for more of a like athleisure type piece, Summit UK and Cole Buxton are hands down my absolute go-tos. So I know we're pretty much in the middle of summer, but unfortunately, especially here in the UK, you just can't rely on the weather. So throwing this on over the top of like some nice wide leg trousers and some chunky sneakers is definitely one of my like go-to looks, as you guys know. If you want to see me go into a lot more detail on this brand and you kind of want to check out all the other items that I picked up from them, then I'll leave a link to a haul video in the description down below, so go and check that out. But I picked this up in a size extra large, as always, just to kind of ensure that like oversized look. And like I said, it's in this beautiful wash black colorway, and this is achieved using a pigment dye process. And in terms of the actual price point, this is coming in at £85. So that is it for pickup / favorite number 1. Alright guys, so next on the list is pickup number 2 and 3, and kind of like sticking with that upper body is these shirts from Weekday, and I have these in both black and also beige, which I am a big fan of. So Weekday very kindly gifted me these items, as well as a few others that I'm going to show you in the video. But honestly guys, I'm so excited to see how I like properly style these pieces in the coming weeks on both YouTube and Instagram. As always guys, the links to everything will be linked in the description down below if you do see any pieces that you kind of want to pick up from today's video. So in terms of the actual fabric, these are 100% polyamide. Now I'm not too sure if the camera will pick it up, but they have this kind of like crinkle look to them, which is bang on trend at the moment. I've seen it a lot with cargo shorts, so it's bang on trend, and yeah, I'm a big fan. As you can probably tell, these are super lightweight, so perfect for summer. Now, the fabric is actually ever so slightly see-through. I'm not sure if the camera actually picks it up, but the fabric is ever so slightly see-through, but that isn't down to like bad quality fabrics. It's actually intended to be like that, and that is one of many reasons why I am super excited to kind of see how I style these pieces. So I picked both of these shirts up in a size extra large, as always, just to kind of ensure that boxy oversized look. And in terms of the actual price point, these are coming in at £35 each, which I personally feel is very reasonable. Now I've got some sick outfits in mind for these, especially for this black one. So definitely keep your eyes peeled over on my Instagram for the fit pics. But yeah, that is it for pickups number 2 and 3. All right guys, so the next favorite pickup, sticking with Weekday, but actually moving down to shorts, is these. And honestly guys, so many of you have been DMing me about these since you've seen them on my story. So these are the Weekday Irwin shorts, and I'm a big fan. I love everything about them. I love the color, I love how they fit. They're just such a sick pair of shorts. So details, in terms of the actual fabric, these are 100% organic cotton, and being organic, you guys know I'm a big fan. Now with these, I actually decided to go with a size large. They are ever so slightly big on my waist. A medium would definitely fit me better on the waist, but I kind of decided to size up because I wanted these to be a little bit longer on the leg, and I felt like when I was looking at the pictures of the model on the website, I felt like a medium would be like a little bit too short for how I personally wanted them to look. So I went with a size large. They still fit me fine, and in terms of how they fit on the leg, they were perfect. And then the best part about these guys is the price. In my opinion, an absolute steal at £25. You can't go wrong. Now there's obviously so many different ways that you can style these, but like a nice oversized t-shirt, some chunky sneakers, maybe like a crossbody bag or a tote bag, something like that, and you're good to go. The perfect summer outfit. So my favorite pickup number 4 was the weekday Irwin shorts. Alright guys, so next on the list and last of the weekday items is these Linton cargo shorts. So these almost like tech style cargo shorts are the bang on trend right now, so I'd imagine that these are flying out. I've seen that Summit UK have dropped some amazing ones, as well as many other brands, so yeah, this kind of like style cargo shorts are definitely on trend this summer. So starting with the minor details, these, like the shirts, are made from 100% polyamide, and again, like the shirts, they have that like crinkle effect to them, which I personally think is an absolute vibe, and yeah, it's definitely approved by me. What I really liked about these was the actual standard fit, the cut to kind of fit a little bit longer in the leg. So I went with a size 48, and that fits me perfect in the waist and in the length of the leg. And then in terms of the actual price point, these are coming in at a very reasonable £35. So if you're kind of maybe you're wanting to like kind of test out some cargo style shorts to see if you like them, so you don't really want to like spend big, in my opinion, at £35 these are the perfect affordable option. But yeah, pickup slash favorite number 5 is the Linton cargo shorts from Weekday. Alright guys, so moving on to favorite slash pickup number 6, and actually moving on to some accessories, is this beautiful neck card holder that I picked up for an absolute steal from Zara. Firstly, as you can see, this just gives off like proper summer vibes in this kind of like minty green colorway. I absolutely love it. So I know it's only like obviously a really small piece, but honestly, adding a little accessory like this can really help kind of like elevate an outfit, especially for us guys, where in summer it's kind of really hard to stand out with what we wear, because you know all we've got is like shorts and a t-shirt. So adding like a little accessory like this can really help pull your outfit together and stand out. So the best bit, I picked this up for an absolute steal of £5.99 in the Zara sale, an absolute steal. And then in terms of the actual kind of like fabrics of this, the outer shell is 100% polyurethane, and then the kind of like the inner lining of the bag is 100% polyester. Obviously guys, an item like this is kind of just like a one size fits all, so not really that much else to say about it other than pickup number 6, bargain of the video at £5.99, is the Zara neck wallet. So moving on to favorite pickup number 7, but kind of sticking with the like bags slash accessories, and that is this black tote bag that I actually picked up from ASOS. You guys know that I've recently been a big fan of including like tote bags within my outfits, and kind of similar or the same as what I said about the neck wallet, adding like this kind of accessory to an outfit is a great way to kind of elevate what can sometimes be quite a basic look. So for example, adding a tote bag like this to an outfit can really help kind of like give it that extra layer. But also, one thing that really drew me to this tote bag in particular is the fact that it is this kind of like see-through mesh material. I feel like this gives you kind of like an extra opportunity to go kind of like even further with your styling when it comes to this, because obviously people can kind of see what you have in it. So I feel like there's definitely opportunity to use that as a styling point. Yeah, I rate this a lot. So like I said, I picked this up from ASOS and this is coming in at £18, and obviously the same as the previous item that I shown you, this is kind of just like a one size fits all. Perfect to kind of just like throw your stuff in if you're maybe out and about in town, going for a coffee with like a friend, or even maybe going shopping. So there we have it, guys. That is favorite pickup number 7, the black mesh tote bag from ASOS. And moving on to favorite pickup number 8 and down to footwear is these, the Balenciaga Track V2s in this like beige colorway. Now, I couldn't do a like recent pickup video without including the Balenciaga Tracks. If you guys follow me over on Instagram, you'll see that I've been wearing these so much. Now I have already done an entire video unboxing and styling these sneakers, so I will link that in the description down below if you do want to go ahead and watch that after you've watched this video. But for that reason, we're not going to go into like too much detail on these, but just know that these are my current absolute go-tos. So just a quick overview. As you can see, these are the beige, black and white colorway. But as I said previously, guys, I have already created an unboxing and styling video on these sneakers. So once you watch this video, if you do want to go and check that out, it'll be linked in the description down below. Let me know what you think. So that was pickup / favorite number 8 and the last of this video. So do let me know in the comment section down below which out of those 8 pickups was your personal favorite, and what are you looking forward to kind of seeing me style in some future videos out of those like 8 pieces. Also guys, if you could take 2 seconds and hop over to my Instagram and give me a follow over there, it would be hugely appreciated, because there is so much content to come, and it also kind of gives you guys an opportunity to kind of keep up with me and see what I'm up to on a daily basis. But that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit subscribe if you're new, drop a comment down below, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. It's basically a daily vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.